VulnHub Toppo 1, and this will be the next machine. Now you can download it. I think this one will having VMDK file maybe. Let me check I have or not. Vulnerable machine OS. Patrick's Django Betas, Mr. Robot. Lots of machine was there. I think I don't have. Okay, this one I have Toppo VMDK. Now let me install the VMDK. I think for this one I have to create a new machine. Toppo on the Linux. Then next memory based. Okay, processing. Next. Now here I have to select the VMDK file. Arrow, Mr. Robot, Mobile Slur. Okay, I just add it. Toppo VDI. Choose this. Next. Finish. Restart. Setting. Network. Bridge. Okay, and click on start. Do not show the DVD. Others, they need an ISO, but okay, just a minute. And no, I'll just download it and check whether it is only having the VMDK file or any other. And I will also check to install the VMDK in VirtualBox. I forgot that. VMDK on VB. Maybe the same. I done. Setting button, storage, setup controller, and hard drive. VM. Okay. Go to the setting, storage, setup controller. I have to put plus. Let's remove this. Put in here. Toppo VMDK. Now let's see. Okay, powering up. Okay, now maybe it's working. Yeah, it has worked. Let's stop this now. Don't need to update it. Oh, let's see. This is not very big machine, very small machine maybe. Let's see what we found here. And what are the ports will be open and any sensitive directory are found. It's still loading. Okay, it's start now. Now let's see how many IP addresses, like the connected IP addresses was available. Sudo su config map 0/24 enter. %. Okay, so I think this one. Okay, so this one is our target like 1.7, and this target also shows like you have a HTTPS. Let me check with the version if we found any version or not, and also I will put in the browser to check having any website or not. Yeah, maybe they have the website. So this is the website they have. I think this one may be the same thing of the WordPress, maybe Apache, jQuery, Debian version operating system. Okay, nothing else. I will check the links here for more updates and more important things. Nothing will be having. Check with the robots.txt. Robots.txt not found. Okay, now many of the things you can get from the source code, so I will also check the source code if I found anything. Nothing else. Okay, now let's see for the dub or a dub buster. Okay, maybe this one will be gives me the more information. Version is OpenSSH 6.7. Okay, so Apache and OpenSSH is vulnerable. Okay, because they're having a lower version, and this one RPC blind they have. Okay, if you can see the RPC bind they have, so you can check that you can connect with the RPC or not first. Okay, so I will use here RPC client and IP address and hit enter. Error status connected refused. Okay, so if this is like status connected refuse and error, it means you are not able to connect it with the RPC. But if they ask you the password, just put the random password and check whether you can connect with the RPC or not, and you can also leave blank of the password. This is another method, but here there is a no method will be showing. They are just saying the status connection refused. Okay, now let's check for the SSH are open. Maybe we can find some SSH code or something, some you can say some directory maybe. Okay, so DIRB here. Okay, wait, DIRB HTTPS. Maybe it's an HTTP, not HTTPS. HTTP. Yeah. So now they are trying to find many URLs. Let's see, maybe one by one. Okay, admin was available. Okay, this is also vulnerable, showing some indexing and also having some nodes.txt. Then let's see the different one. CSS, they're having some CSS. Okay, IMG, they're having IMGs, manual mail, lots of information. Okay, this is from the Apache, not important. What is mail? Contact me.php. Okay, any server status? What was that? You don't have permission to access this, but they reveal the version of Apache here, and vendor bootstrap. Okay, indexing, lots of indexing was available. The lots of manual was the same with the Apache manual. That's why I'm not checking this. Okay, after that you can also check with any type of extensions, might be they have like any type of sensitive extensions or sensitive backup files may be possible. So simply I am using the go buster and use the dub buster as well. Dash u the URL, then I will put here dash w and slash user share, not a word list, I think dog cluster word list directory 2.3 medium.txt dash capital X. Then I want HTML, PHP, zip file if they have, txt file, and the PDF maybe, and the BK for the backup file, and that's it. And at the last dir. Okay, there shows capital X. So what small x? Unable to connection refused. Okay, I will put HTTP. Yes, that's why they say connection refused. I have to put HTTP. Now it is connected. Let's see any other information they found or not. IMG mail admin, we already found this. And here you can see this is the URL we are testing, and this is the total number of threads and the user agent of GoBuster and the extensions we are looking for it.
The 301. I was just checking the status code.
Yeah.
So permanent redirect from one URL to another.
Yeah. 301
I kept, it's important to have those codes in place. I've already made some notes for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can just reference with it when I'm practicing.
Yeah. JS 4034 written. Okay, JS having some. Okay, this is also many JavaScript. I think source code may be disclosed here. My QL. Yeah, this one may be source code disclosure. Disclosing the JavaScript code. Okay. Now this is also indexing the server contact me.php. This is only the PHP file. This is the JPG file, and CS is also source code disclosing. Here we're having some notes.txt. Let me check that. Okay, so I need to change my password. 12345 TED 123 is too outdated, but the technology isn't my thing. I prefer go for finishing or watch soccer something. So I got this one, and maybe this one having some admin portal, or maybe with the SSH. But okay, so if you can see here, we also have the username which is called TED. So maybe the user is TED, and this is the password. Let's see if I got any admin portal or not. Otherwise, I'll check with the SSH one. Maybe I'll check with the SSH if I got anything or not. If I get the access, so it's maybe simple machine. Such at the rate. Yes, now I need to put the password. This is the same password. Is this? Yeah, we got that. Okay, comes with absolute new warranty and some permanent applicable law. This is some just an information. So we can easily get this TED topo with the SSH connection. Okay, this is just a simple one. And after that, if you want to find some flags, you can go for it. Okay, you can get the flag as well. But once you get the access, okay, you can easily make a report writing. It is not like that, but when you want to find some more flags, so it will be gives you the more information, or you can say more knowledge to check for the things. Okay, otherwise if you got the access, you can go for it. And this is just a simple machine maybe, because There's no advanced thing here, just we got the SSH credentials and that's it. Then let's see the another machine